What if I told you that one tiny mistake with garlic could be canceling out its most powerful healing properties? Garlic isn't just a spice, it's a natural medicine cabinet in a clove. From lowering blood pressure to fighting dangerous bacteria, this humble ingredient holds incredible potential backed by modern science. But here's the truth. Most people are using it the wrong way, and it could be putting your health at risk. In today's video, we're uncovering the 11 biggest garlic mistakes that are silently ruining its nutritional value. From storing it in the fridge to skipping one simple step that activates its most potent compound, allicin. This is information the health industry won't tell you, but science confirms. When prepared correctly, garlic can boost your immunity, support your heart, reduce inflammation, and even help you breathe better. If you're serious about living longer, feeling stronger, and getting the most out of your food, then this is a video you can't afford to miss. So go ahead, tap that like button, subscribe for more life-changing health tips, and leave a comment below telling us how you use garlic in your kitchen. You might just inspire someone else to make a healthy change too. Let's dive in and discover the real power of garlic when it's done right. Mistake number 1, overcooking garlic. Garlic contains a sulfur-based compound called alliin. When garlic is chopped or crushed, an enzyme called alliinase converts alliin into allicin, the superstar molecule responsible for most of garlic's antimicrobial, anti-cancer, and cardioprotective effects. However, allicin is highly unstable and heat-sensitive. According to a study in the Journal of Nutrition, 2001, exposing garlic to temperatures above 140 degrees Fahrenheit 60 degrees Celsius for more than 5 minutes can deactivate allicin formation entirely. Let chopped garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking to allow full allicin formation. Then add it at the end of cooking or saute gently for no more than 5 minutes on low heat. Mistake number 2, eating raw garlic on an empty stomach. While raw garlic may seem like a powerful detox trick, it contains potent organosulfur compounds that can irritate the gastric lining, especially in sensitive individuals. Studies have shown that compounds like agene and diallyl disulfide can trigger nausea, burning, reflux, or vomiting when taken on an empty stomach. Moreover, raw garlic can lower blood pressure by dilating blood vessels via hydrogen sulfide pathways, which may cause dizziness if taken without food, especially in people on antihypertensive meds. Always consume raw garlic with meals to buffer its impact and aid digestion. Mistake number 3, swallowing garlic whole. Garlic cloves contain alliin and alliinase in separate compartments. Crushing or chopping garlic activates these enzymes and triggers a chemical reaction that forms allicin. Swallowing a whole clove bypasses this process, resulting in minimal allicin production in the stomach. A 2003 study published in Plantamedica confirmed that allicin only forms when garlic is physically broken down. Always crush, chop, or mince garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking or eating. This waiting period allows maximum allicin formation for therapeutic benefits. Mistake number 4, overlooking drug interactions. Garlic has natural antithrombotic properties, meaning it can thin the blood. While this is good for heart health, it can become dangerous when combined with medications like warfarin, aspirin, or blood pressure medications, increasing the risk of bleeding or hypotension. If you're on any medication, especially anticoagulants or antihypertensives, consult your healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of garlic or garlic supplements. Mistake number 5, using canned or jarred garlic. Pre-minced or canned garlic is often stored in acidic solutions like vinegar or brine, which deteriorates beneficial sulfur compounds over time. Additionally, it may contain added preservatives and sodium, which can raise blood pressure and trigger sensitivities. A study in food chemistry, 2010, found that garlic stored in vinegar lost over 60% of its sulfur compounds within weeks. Always choose fresh garlic bulbs. They contain the full spectrum of active compounds and offer the most health benefits when handled properly. Mistake number 6, not washing garlic before use. Although garlic is protected by its papery outer layer, it is still susceptible to contamination from pesticides, dust, fungi, or harmful bacteria such as E. coli and salmonella during harvesting and handling. If you skip washing it, you may inadvertently transfer these contaminants to your hands, cutting boards, or other foods. Even a quick rinse under running water before peeling can help reduce your risk of foodborne illness, especially important for those with weakened immune systems. Studies published in Food Control Journal emphasize the importance of rinsing fresh produce to remove pesticide residues and microbial contaminants that can lead to foodborne outbreaks. Mistake number 7. Storing garlic incorrectly. Garlic thrives in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated environment. Storing it in warm or humid areas, like near the stove or in plastic bags, promotes moisture buildup, which encourages the growth of mold and harmful bacteria like Aspergillus, a genus that can produce aflatoxins, a potential carcinogen. Research from the International Journal of Food Microbiology shows that garlic stored in humid conditions has a higher risk of fungal contamination, leading to nutrient loss and even health hazards over time. Mistake number 8. Buying pre-peeled garlic. Convenient as it may seem, pre-peeled garlic is often industrially processed and vacuum-sealed, which accelerates the breakdown of its active compounds such as allicin. Additionally, it's more prone to microbial contamination and oxidation, leading to unpleasant changes in taste, texture, and nutritional value. A study published in Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry revealed that pre-peeled garlic rapidly loses bioactive sulfur compounds when exposed to air, light, and plastic packaging. Mistake number 9. Storing garlic in the refrigerator. Refrigerating garlic is counterproductive. The cold environment encourages sprouting germination, making cloves rubbery, bitter, and less potent. Worse, refrigeration can gradually break down the enzymes that activate garlic's healing compounds. According to research in Post-Harvest Biology and Technology, cold-induced sprouting causes degradation of sulfur-based compounds like alliinase, essential for the production of allicin, the heart of garlic's therapeutic power. Mistake number 10. Preferring supplements over fresh garlic. Garlic supplements may appear easier to consume, but most commercial forms are heat-treated during processing, which destroys allicin, the compound responsible for its immune-boosting, antimicrobial, and cholesterol-lowering effects. Many supplements also contain preservatives or synthetic fillers that reduce their effectiveness. Research from the Journal of Nutrition confirmed that raw garlic offers significantly higher bioavailability of allicin and its related compounds compared to processed garlic capsules or powders. Mistake number 11. Not letting garlic rest after cutting. This is one of the most common yet overlooked mistakes. When garlic is chopped or crushed, the enzyme alliinase converts alliin into allicin, the sulfur-rich compound responsible for its anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial benefits. But this enzymatic reaction takes time, about 10 to 15 minutes. Cooking garlic too soon inactivates the enzyme, reducing its health benefits. A study in food chemistry demonstrates that letting garlic sit for 10 minutes after crushing increases allicin yield by over 60%, maximizing its medicinal effects. Bonus: top 10 proven health benefits of garlic, backed by science. 1. Strengthens immunity. Garlic enhances natural killer, NK, cells and macrophage activity, improving your defense against colds, flu, and infections. Journal of Immunology Research. 2. Protects the heart. Allicin helps reduce blood pressure, LDL cholesterol, and arterial stiffness. American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. 3. Fights oxidative stress. Rich in antioxidants like selenium and quercetin, garlic neutralizes free radicals that cause cellular aging. Molecules Journal. 4. Aids digestion. Garlic stimulates gastric juices and supports gut microbiota balance. Nutrition Research Reviews. 5. Reduces inflammation. Its sulfur compounds inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines like TNF-alpha and IL-6. Biofactors Journal. 6. Stabilizes blood sugar. Garlic helps improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting glucose levels. Journal of Medicinal Food. 7. Supports detoxification. Boosts liver enzymes that help flush out toxins and heavy metals. Basic and Clinical Pharmacology and Toxicology. 8. Improves skin health. Its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties help prevent acne, eczema, and skin aging. Journal of Dermatological Treatment. 9. Acts as a natural antibiotic, effective against bacteria like H. pylori and fungi like Candida albicans. Antimicrobial agents and chemotherapy. 10. Enhances respiratory health. Garlic reduces mucus buildup and relaxes bronchial muscles, helping with asthma and bronchitis. Respiratory Medicine Journal. And there you have it. The 11 garlic mistakes you should never make if you truly want to unlock its full healing power. It's amazing how something so small, when handled the right way, can become one of the most powerful allies in your journey toward better health. Remember, let your garlic rest after chopping, avoid the fridge, say no to pre-peeled cloves, and treat this ancient superfood with the respect it deserves. Science shows us that when prepared properly, garlic can fight inflammation, support your heart, regulate blood sugar, and even protect against infections naturally. So now I want to hear from you. Have you been making any of these mistakes? How do you usually prepare your garlic? Or better yet, do you have your own garlic trick passed down from family or tradition? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you learned something new today, or if this video could help someone you love, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another life-changing health tip. Stay curious, stay empowered. And as always, thank you for being part of this amazing health-conscious community. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.